Hello everyone. Welcome back into my YouTube channel. Let me show you how to create this typography effect in Adobe Photoshop. Choose the Type tool. Write your word. I'm using round key bold font. Right-click and choose Covert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T, rotate it and scale it while holding the Shift button. Right-click and choose Warp. Adjust it accordingly. When you finish, press Enter. Choose this layer, press Ctrl-J to make a copy, put it on top of the layers. Hide this layer. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Show this layer. Now choose the brush tool, set the hardness to 100%, adjust the brush size. Make sure the foreground color is white. Add a layer mask, click on the mask and press Ctrl-I to invert it. Start brushing. Now check photo manipulation. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials in my channel. Thank you for your support.